I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to turn on Find My iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad, and then tap your profile picture and name at the top of this menu. Step 2. Tap Find My in this menu. Step 3. Tap Find My iPhone or iPad. Associated options are displayed. Step 4. Tap to toggle on Find My iPhone or iPad. The Find My iPhone or iPad feature will be enabled on this specific Android device. Going forward, you'll be able to remotely locate, lock, or erase your Apple device and some accessories that are supported. You should be aware that you'll need to disable the Find My feature on your iPhone or iPad before selling, trading in your device, or sending it in for a repair. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.